Dandelion Gum is the fourth studio album by Pennsylvania-based experimental band Black Moth Super Rainbow, released on CD on May 22, 2007. A 2XLP edition was released on March 15, 2008. The first 1,000 copies sold included double gatefold packaging, pink vinyl with gold splashes, and a bubblegum scratch-and-sniff cover, the first 500 of which were hand-numbered. In March 2011, a deluxe reissue with 14 extra flavor tracks was announced. Background. In 2006, an EP called Lost Picking Flowers in the Woods was released containing the song of the same name, as well as other songs that later appeared on Dandelion Gum. Sun Lips is the first track by Black Moth Super Rainbow to be accompanied by an official music video. In mid-2008, it was announced, via an update to the band's official website, that Tobacco would be releasing an album called Super Gum, Destroying Dandelion Gum, rumored to be a remix album. The cover for this album is a crop from a Garbage Pail Kids trading card, Stinker Bell, as found by Tom Acarocto via Tumblr. Track listing. Forever Heavy 416. Jump Into My Mouth and Breathe the Stardust 233. Melt Me 222. Lollipops Richard 132. They Live in the Meadow 233. Sun Lips 316. Roller Disco 234. Neon Syrup for the Cemetery Sisters 252. The Afternoon Turns Pink 237. When the Sun Grows on Your Tongue 240. Spinning Cotton Candy in a Shack Made of Shingles 311. Drippy Eye 313. Lost Picking Flowers in the Woods 322. Caterpillar House 158. Wall of Gum 059. Untitled Roadside Demo 334. Untitled Hidden Track 310 Notes. Caterpillar House, They Live in the Meadow, Drippy Eye, and Lost Picking Flowers in the Woods appeared on the Lost Picking Flowers in the Woods EP. On the vinyl LP, side A has a bonus track, The Dark Forest Joggers 132. This track later reappeared on an MP3 download on BMSR's Misfits called Bonus Drippers, the older unreleased and hard-to-find songs. Forever Heavy was later remixed by Ad Nauseam, the first BMSR track to be remixed and released officially. We Are the Pagans was originally going to be on Dandelion Gum, but later featured on the Drippers EP. Track 16 ends at 2:45, followed by silence until track 17 begins. Hidden track, titled Dudes Don't Stop Singing on Extra Flavor, Dandelion Gum Era Sessions. The order of the tracks on the vinyl release is different from the CD. References: